Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we are going to be showing you how to make spicy Korean chicken katsu. Cue the music. Alright, well thanks a lot for being here. I appreciate you joining us from whatever platform you are watching us on. Make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Let us know how we're doing. Like I said, we're making spicy Korean chicken katsu. Let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are for this. We have got 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon of minced fresh garlic, 1 tablespoon of fresh grated ginger, 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 2 cups of chili sauce, 1/4 cup of rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, and 1/4 cup of sesame oil. That's for our sauce. Now we're going to be making, with the chicken, we're going to need a 1/2 pound of boneless, skinless chicken tenders, 1 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 2 eggs, 1 cup of panko breadcrumbs, and 1/4 cup of neutral oil. Let's start cooking. Alright, we've got everything we need for our sauce right there. We got our utensils, got our pan back in the background. You see our rice cooking. So I'm going to focus on our pan and we'll start cooking. Alright, we have got our pan here for the sauce. What you want to do, turn on medium-high heat. You throw your garlic and ginger in there. And we're going to add the chili sauce. Brown sugar. Sesame oil. Rice vinegar. Soy sauce. You're going to stir this up really well. You're basically making a gochujang, which is a barbecue sauce, a Korean barbecue sauce. Alright, that's going to come to a little bit of a boil here with the lid on, so I'm going to keep the lid on there, keep it from splattering all over my stove. Hot, ready to go. It's going to simmer. Let's move over to our chicken. Alright, we've got our cutting board here. Let's put our chicken tenders right here. Line them up. And you just want to take your meat tenderizer and just kind of pound them a little thinner than what they are. You don't want to beat the crap out of them. You just want to break up the corpuscles in the muscle. That's what tenderizes both sides. And the thinner they are, the easier they are to cook evenly. You don't have to worry about it being raw in the middle, because once you don't want to burn the outside and leave the inside raw. So pounding them out helps the cooking process as much as anything else. Then we're going to slide these over here. I need to back out, it appears. Alright, I got our chicken right there, so I'm going to move our dredging station into camera. Got it in there. Okay. Pretty simple technique. Then we got our finished plate right here. So you're just going to take your chicken strip, you're going to set it in the flour to get covered with flour. Then you're going to set it into the egg to cover it with egg wash. And of course you're going to finish it into the breadcrumbs, as you can see there. I'll leave a card here. I've got a whole show I dedicated to just a dredging station. I'll put that card right here. Anyway, there's your finished product. I'm going to set it on our clean plate and finish up the rest of these. I'll meet you back over by the stove. Alright, got our pan. I'm going to go ahead and put our oil in there. I've got it at a medium-high heat right there. Alright, our oil is hot enough. I'm going to go ahead and slowly add our chicken that we breaded. Don't want to crowd the pan. And you want to make sure it's got oil in it for the chicken to set in. You just want to let this cook on one side about 4 minutes. Alright, let's flip them over, see what it looks like. There, that's a beautiful, beautiful color right there. Flip those over. Oops. Might have to stick these in there a little bit longer. Move the pan over so they get some heat too. Let these cook too for about 4 minutes on one side, and we'll come back and see what they look like. Alright, chicken is beautifully cooked. I'm turning off the burner. I'm going to move this to the back. We're going to show you this fun part that we're going to do with this now. It is hot. What we're going to do now is we're going to take our chicken that we did, we're going to dip it right into that katsu sauce, or the gochujang sauce, I'm sorry. We're just going to set it off to the side. And then just cover it all the way. And then we got some rice that we cooked right there. We're going to plate this up with the rice, put some more sauce on it, make it real nice. We're going to come back after we take pictures of it, and we're going to give it a try, give it a taste. So that's what we got right now. We're going to make it pretty. Don't go away. All right, wonderful pictures, beautiful, beautiful photography of this food. Now let's just have a nice look at it in that camera over there. And then I'm going to destroy the beauty by taking it apart. You can see we cut it, well, it's full of sauce now, but when you cut it after it's been cooked, that gives you an opportunity to make sure that it's fully cooked. So, but anyway, cut it in little julienne strips like this. But that looks beautiful. Let's give it a taste. Shot right there too. That is very good. Crispy chicken on the outside. Then you got that barbecue sauce, the gochujang right on top of it, and cooked, set in there. Gives it a nice umami with that soy sauce and sesame oil. Yeah, there's a nice shot of the chicken. You can see right there. It is cooked. So I've got 2 more pieces over there. 2.5 actually, that I'm going to eat for dinner too later. I appreciate you watching. Spicy Korean Chicken Katsu. Recipe is in the description box of the first pinned comment. Thanks for being here. I appreciate you watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this. Take care. We'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.
These rappers don't listen. Well, let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping, bumping from the soul kitchen. Now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. These rappers don't listen. Well, let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping, bumping from the